Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing our imported plants from Eucagenera, California. Just got those in today, so let's see what we have. So guys, I'm not even going to hold you. I opened the box, but I paused because I wanted to record, but I was so tempted to go ahead and peek. Let's see what we have. Everything is still packaged, so all clear there, but yeah, we're gonna open this together and see what we got. All right, so we got one, two, this one is in a pot, three, four, and oh, this one is big, and five. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go from like smallest package size to biggest. So let's do that. Okay, so the first one that we have, let me just grab, I'm just gonna rip into it because we don't have time for scissors right now. I have some shears, but I'll just use those for this piece of tape here. Okay, so let's see guys. I know what I got, I just don't quite remember because when I'm on there ordering, it's like I just want to get it all. Like somebody really needs to take my phone away because like, yeah, if you're a real plant lover, you understand like it's a literal addiction. Like you wouldn't believe. But so let's see. Ooh, this one is my philodendron melanochrysum. I have a variegated one of these. I wanted to get a regular one of these to kind of see how they grew together. The variegated one that I have is reverted, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna look somewhat the same. I think my newest leaf on that one is actually reverting back. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So here's what it looks like, and I'll insert some pictures. There is a little bit of damage on this leaf here, but that's okay. It'll bounce back. I'm not too concerned. But look at how beautiful this is with the velvet leaf. I'm in love. And this is my second order from their live. I have another one coming in later on in the week that's coming from Florida, and some tissue cultures that I'm really excited about as well. Okay, so this one, ooh, okay, let's see. I'm just tossing this over here. Okay, so this is my Alocasia heterophylla corazon. She is gorgeous. This one is pretty. It has that really pretty silver on the leaves. I'm excited to see this one grow and get big because I love the little ears it has. Like, this is so cute. She cute. She has a little baby leaf down here. This one, I think this one is acclimated, so I don't have to worry too much about it acclimating. I usually put them all in the same humidity, so they acclimate pretty well. So I'll put that one there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay, this one, I have no clue even what I got for this one. Okay, this one. Ooh. Okay. So this one I'm excited about because when I was looking it up online, I saw that it had these pretty like red backs. And then you guys look at the shape of that leaf. This is a philodendron lupinum. These pretty much, I'm obsessed with philodendron. I love putting putting these on moss poles to watch how they grow. So any type of climbing philodendron, those are for me. But look how pretty it is, velvety. But once these do mature, I noticed that they do become more like of a leathery texture than that velvety. So they'll start off at the velvety and then they'll go to the leathery type of texture once the leaves get bigger and they start to mature. I just love the plants from them, and they're close to me, well, sort of close to me. They come from California, so they shipped 3 days, but it ended up coming 2 days, so I love that, because I'm so impatient when I order my plants, so it's like, let me just hurry up and get my plants. So, of course, ordering from the closest place is going to be optimal for me. Like, yes, okay, this is my philodendron varicosum beauty. Okay, let me cut through this without cutting through the roots. Okay, let's get her out of this packaging because she is ready. Okay, so this one does have some yellowing on the leaf, to be expected, so I'm not too concerned there. She is a little dry. This leaf kind of grew a little funky, like it has a little bit of mutation on it, but here's how she looks. This leaf is yellowing, so most likely I'm going to cut that off. This one is a fresh import, so it will need to be acclimated before I like fully introduce it into my space. But yeah, philodendron varicosum beauty. These have those more narrow leaves, which I like as well, from like the normal varicosum leaves. If you could tell, these are more narrow and pointed. If you have a varicosum, you know they come more of a round shape, sort of like, I'm trying to see if I have my varicosum out. No, I don't, but I'll put a picture in so you can kind of see the difference in the leaf shape. So this will be kind of cool to, this will be really cool to grow out. I'm excited about this one as well. The roots on it, it does look like it has pretty good roots on it. Varicosum roots are really thin, so when you're unpackaging these, you want to be really careful not to tear any of the roots, because sometimes they can look like the sphagnum moss that it is packed in. So yeah, I like that one. Okay guys, so down to the last one. Here's a big one. I'm excited about this one too. I know this one is an anthurium. I can't remember the name, but I actually won a smaller anthurium from them the last live that I purchased from, and I'm like, well, maybe I can get with the anthurium team. I'm like, I really didn't think I was gonna like anthuriums, but I'm like, oh, that one kind of got me started. That was my first anthurium. I was like, oh, it was a giveaway, so it wasn't something that I would have purchased on my own, I'll say that, but it definitely like awoken the anthurium phase for me. So this one is an anthurium. It is big, so I'm a little nervous about that, but I just like how it looked, and I'm like, I need something like this in my life, in my little jungle life. All right guys, so this queen right here, she's not a queen, she is the Anthurium insigne gigante. Y'all look at that. It reminds me of the Veitchii with the abs. It does have like a leathery feel to it, but look how big and beautiful she is. Like, I kind of want to like put her on the wall and like let her just hang all her glory down. Like, she is gorgeous, y'all. I am really excited about this. These get those pretty like ripples in it, and this is gonna be so much fun to grow and watch. Oh look, okay, it has a new growth point on it as well. So I don't know how big that leaf is gonna be, but my God, this is the perfect addition to my little jungle. I'm so excited about these, guys. So I'm gonna insert a video clip of everything I got here today. We have the Anthurium insigne gigante, the Philodendron lupinum. We have the lovely Alocasia heterophylla corazon. I love saying it like that. And we have our Philodendron melanochrysum. And last but not least, our Philodendron varicosum beauty. I can't remember the name for the life of me. Philodendron varicosum beauty. And I love varicosum. I don't know how I could ever forget that. Yep, guys. If you like the video, leave me a like. If you guys are thinking about ordering from them, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys enjoyed about the video. I'm going to try to do these plant mails every week. That's just how much of an addict I am. A plant addict I am. Because I have literally plant mail coming in pretty much every week. Don't tell my husband. But all right, guys, that's the end of the video today. Be sure to like, leave a comment. Let me know which plant you think was your favorite. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.